I just got brand new snow boots. Dun, da, da. These are Polar Vibe boots from Yes We Vibe. Yes We Vibe is a brand that wants to spread good vibes, smiles, and inspiration all around the world. These Polar Vibe boots are custom printed in amazing colors and prints. They also have an upper flap that folds down, so you can wear them in 2 different styles. This wool is synthetic and 100% vegan. They also have this great rubber outsole to keep you warm and give you good traction. There is a memory insole that is super, super comfortable. And the best part about these boots is that they are water resistant, so I can wear them in the snow in the winter time. Find these Polar Vibe boots only at yeswevibe.com.